Hi, let me quickly show you what's inside the Vubetti Sourdough Pro Kit. This kit includes all the essential tools you need to start making delicious sourdough bread right at home. First, the Whisk Double Eye. A stainless steel whisk that mixes dough quickly and evenly for a smooth texture. The Scoring Lame, a curved blade tool used to score your dough before baking, allowing proper expansion and artisan patterns. You also get an exclusive access card. Scan the QR code to unlock tutorials, tips and extra resources on the official Vubetti website. The Flexible Scraper, soft yet strong, perfect for lifting and moving dough easily on flat surfaces. And the Bench Scraper, a straight steel blade with a wooden handle, ideal for dividing dough and keeping your surface clean. The Oven Thermometer helps you monitor the real temperature inside your oven for consistent baking results. These tools are really well made and built to last. And finally, the Banneton, a natural rattan basket that shapes your dough during fermentation for a beautiful rise. Thanks for watching. Happy baking. Bake better.